The shocking part is IGST आमचे कोटेन आसात ते आमचे IGST from 2017 Goa has not got it. And what does she say? Why Goa has not given? She has singled out Goa as the first instance in the Rajya Sabha to say that the Goa government has not submitted AG certificate. AG certificate mulale Accountant General certificate. The moment Accountant General certificate comes, it is scrutinized, the funds will be released. She has said from 2017-18, 2018-19, 2019-20, 2020-21, 2021-22, and even now.
AG certificate not received as yet for some states. For instance, Goa 2017-18, 18-19, 19-20, AG certificate has not been received, Goa. And again Goa for 21-22 and 22-23, the quarter one. So no AG certificate has come. In fact, for 22-23, except for Karnataka, no state has given the AG certificate to us as yet.
But now that the finance minister has spoken in the Rajya Sabha, if the government is aware, let the government come out bare with the facts, and let the government, including Chief Minister, make a statement that he is aware of it or not aware of it. If he is not aware, what action he is taking against those officers who are responsible for this.